Back again with another video, and today I have my mom with me. She is visiting from Jamaica, so I'm very excited. Just touched down, and where do you want to go, Mom?
Sawgrass Mills.
Why?
I need to go to Sephora or a Mac.
Okay, or
Or
both?
both.
Okay, all right. So we're on our way to Sawgrass. So my mom can do her makeup stuff and skincare stuff. I'm into it. So let's go. Okay, so we went to Sawgrass. Sephora was a bust. It was just so busy in there because I didn't have what I want. So we're gonna try another one and see if
We have better luck.
we have better luck, if it's less busy, less crowded, and if they have what I want and what my mom wants. So let's go.
I want to take home some rose water extract.
Yeah, that's pretty nice for the skin. I love anything rose. So I finally got what I wanted from Sephora, and it's this brightening eye cream. Brightening eye. I used to have dark under my eyes.
So
Not, is it a circle? It's just like a crescent moon, just under my eyes. And I used this and it went away. Someone saw me the other day that they haven't seen me for years, my good sis, and she was like, your under eyes are not dark anymore. I'm like, you notice? It's this. Now I'm not saying it's gonna work for everybody, but it worked for me, and I use it once in a while. Like, I have not used this for months, but I'm like, since I went to Sephora, let me buy it again, use it again. Maybe my eyes will get even more bright. But this, I would say you try it. If you have issues with dark under eyes or even dark circles, I would say try this out. Yes.
on our way to Mac.
Oh. We're gonna find a Mac now. We're gonna find a Mac for my mother. And she got stuff too. She got what she wanted from Sephora, but she wants a Mac. So we're gonna find a Mac now.
A lipstick.
A lipstick. So let me go Google that. Alright, we just went to Mac and we found a Mac in Broward Mall, and my mom got some lipsticks and I got my mom got me two lip liners in Cork and Soar to go with my lip glosses, because even though I'm not the makeup girl, sometimes I want to be the makeup girl. Just have a little something, to look cute, get a little dolled up, sometimes.
It's good to treat yourself from time to time.
It's good when your mommy comes from come up here to visit and she treats you. That's what's good. All right, are we gonna get something to eat now?
Yes.
What are we gonna eat?
Something nice. Something good.
Something nice. All right.
Yes.
What do you?
I'd like to make a suggestion. I'd like
Okay.
wings.
Okay, I don't eat wings, so we'll figure out something for me, but let's get wings for the mom and the nana and the son, right?
No.
Kai's
The
nana,
mom.
my mom and my son.
Yes.
For Kai's nana
Mhm.
and my son. Okay, all right, we're gonna get something to eat.
What about Applebees? Let's go to Applebees.
I could do Applebees. On Applebees, Kai?
Yeah. It sounds good, yeah.
Kai will eat anything, so let's go to Applebees. That's what we're gonna do.
Yes.
I can get something at Applebees.
Yes.
All
Our
right.
nice salads.
I'm not eating a salad.
Salad.
I'm not eating. I may not eat meat, but I'm not eating a salad. I'm eating something nice. So we're gonna go to Applebee's and eat something nice.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
my belly.
We just had such a nice meal at Applebee's. The best Impossible Burger that I've ever had. I enjoyed it. Yeah, recommend. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the video. Say bye to my mom. She'll be back in Jamaica soon. All right.
Good food, good food.
All food to him is good food.
Does Applebee's take Apple Pay?
Probably, yeah.